Good morning.
Hello, good morning, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From today, class 11 and 12 has started. Okay. Okay. This is the 5th chapter from the book Footprints Without Feet. From the supplementary reader, 5th chapter. It is about, in this chapter, the main character. Am I audible, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can a man become invisible? So this is the story of a scientist who discovers how to make himself invisible. So the main character of this story is a scientist, and his name is Griffin. It is the story of a scientist whose name is Griffins. But Griffins is not a scientist with a positive mind. Griffins wants to use science not for the benefit of mankind, but to just terrorize people and to take advantage of the people. Griffins is a very negative-minded scientist. And this chapter, it is taken from the novel, The Invisible Man. So the chapter is taken from the novel, The Invisible Man, written by H.G. Wells. So this chapter is a part of the novel.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
And make the human body invisible. So, of course, he had to carry out many experiments. बहुत बहुत दिनों तक जो है ग्रिफिन्स को एक्सपेरिमेंट्स तरह तरह का करना पड़ा. पहले उसने कैट पे प्रयोग किया ये, फिर धीरे धीरे अपने के ऊपर ये एक्सपेरिमेंट किया. and he was successful in making his body invisible. And when he became invisible, he started taking advantage of his invisibility. Once the landlord where he was staying, he had some argument with his landlord. जिस मकान में ग्रिफिन्स रहता था, तो मकान मालिक के साथ कुछ बहस हो गई और ग्रिफिन ने क्या किया कि अपने लैंडलॉर्ड के घर में आग लगा दिया. और when he set fire to the landlord's house, then he escaped after becoming invisible. He became invisible because now that he had set fire to the landlord's house, now that he had set fire to the landlord's house, now the police was after him. The police was after him. So to escape from the police, what happened? He became invisible and he ran away from the place and he came to London. So now he is an invisible man and he is walking in London. And then what happens? So, two boys started in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. तो लंदन में दो लड़के जो हैं अचानक उन्हें बहुत आश्चर्य होता है. तो why are these London boys surprised? Because they see the footmarks, the bare footmarks of a person. What was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house? So these two boys, they were just sitting on the step of a house. घर के आगे सीढ़ी था और उस सीढ़ी पे ये दो लड़के जो हैं वो बैठे हुए हैं. तो अचानक से what do they see? That someone's footprints have appeared on the stairs. So these boys start thinking that what is a barefooted man doing in the steps of a house in the middle of London? And where was the man? And what was surprising for the boys? ठीक है, footprints तो दिख रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन जिसका footprint दिख रहा है वो आदमी कहाँ है? अब these boys did not know that it was the footprints of the invisible scientist Griffin. The boys did not know this. So for the boys, it was a mystery. Is my voice audible, clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Okay. So, now these two London boys, they are very surprised. Why they are surprised? Because they suddenly on the steps of a house, they see the footprints of a person, barefooted marks, खाली पैर के निशान. वो देखते हैं तो बहुत आश्चर्य हो जाते हैं कि पैर के निशान तो है, लेकिन जिसके पैर का निशान है वो आदमी कहाँ है? That is the big mystery to the boys. So the boys, they started gazing. As they gazed, a remarkable sight met their eyes. तो ये जो दोनों लड़के हैं वो लगातार उस फुटप्रिंट के तरफ देख रहे हैं. उन्हें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये पैर के निशान है तो ये है किसके? आदमी कहाँ है जिसका पैर का ये निशान है? अब उन बच्चों को तो नहीं पता था कि ये ग्रिफिन्स नाम के इनविजिबल साइंटिस्ट के पैर के निशान है. तो दे स्टार्टेड गेजिंग, वो आंख फाड़ के देख रहे हैं. एंड अ रिमार्केबल साइट मीट देयर आईज. अ फ्रेश फुटप्रिंट अपीयर्ड फ्रॉम नोवेयर. वो देख ही रहे हैं कि क्या देख रहे हैं कि एक नया फुटप्रिंट आ गया. एक नया फुटमार्क आ गया. उसके बाद और भी फुटप्रिंट्स दिखने लगे. फर्दर फुटप्रिंट्स फॉलोड. मतलब ये फुटप्रिंट का जो ये था, चेन था, वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था. So they started looking, and what did they see? Then fresh footprints are appearing one by one, followed one after another, descending the steps. And these footprints, they are going down the steps and progressing down the street. और ये footprints किस तरफ जा रहे थे? गली के तरफ. सीढ़ी से उतर के ये फुट मार्क्स जो है वो गली के तरफ बढ़ रहे थे. और ये दो छोटे लड़के जो हैं, they are so surprised that whose foot marks it is. Why is the man not visible? Only footprints are visible. The boys followed, fascinated. It's very natural. The boys started following. उनको तो ये mystery का पता लगाना था कि ये footprints कहाँ से आ रहे हैं. So they started following the footprints. They were fascinated, attracted, until the muddy impressions became fainter and fainter. और धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ कि ये जो foot marks था, it became fainter and fainter. वो धुंधला पड़ता गया. It became fainter and fainter, less visible and less visible, and at last disappeared altogether. And then what happened? It disappeared altogether. And the poor boys, they could not get the mystery of the footprints. ये दोनों लड़के जो है वो समझ ही नहीं पाए कि ये किसका footprints है. बस कुछ दूर उन्होंने पीछा किया, and they saw the footprints again and again. Gradually, the foot marks became faint and faint and then disappeared, and then they could not find out anything. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. अब इस mystery का explanation क्या था? ये foot marks थे किसके? The bewildered boys. Bewildered means puzzled. So write the meaning of bewildered, puzzled or confused. So bewildered means puzzled or confused. Bewildered boys had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make the human body transparent. So whose footprints they were? They were the footprints of a scientist who had discovered how to make the human body transparent. So the body and invisible, to make the human body transparent. So if the body is transparent, the light will pass through it, it will not reflect and come back. So naturally you cannot see it. How do we see an object? The light falls on the object and it comes back. But if the body is transparent, the light will pass, it will not reflect, and then the body becomes invisible. Griffin, the scientist, had carried out experiment after experiment. So this is a very important discovery, and it was not an easy task. Griffin के लिए ये जो ऐसा medicine खोजना जिससे कि human body invisible हो जाए, that was not an easy job for Griffins. He conducted numerous experiments. बहुत सारे experiments उसे करने पड़े, experiment after experiment, to prove that the human body could become invisible. Finally, he swallowed certain rare drugs. Then finally, बहुत सारे experiments करने के बाद Griffins को एक ऐसा दवा मिला. He swallowed those rare medicines, and his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass. And after consuming that medicine, what happened? That medicine had the power to bleach the blood, to make the blood colorless, to make the body transparent and invisible. So finally, after conducting many experiments, this scientist Griffin, he discovered a rare medicine that could make the human body invisible. Finally, he swallowed certain rare drugs and his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass, though it also remained as solid as glass. Now his body became transparent, but it was a solid body. You could feel the body, though you could not see it, you could feel it. It was solid. Brilliant scientist though he was. So, making this discovery itself shows that Griffins was a very intelligent scientist. Griffin was rather a lawless person. But though Griffins was an intelligent, brilliant scientist, he was not a good human being. He was a lawless person. He did as he desired. He did not obey the laws of the society. He was a lawless person. In fact, he had made all this discovery only to take advantage of his invisibility and do as he likes, lawless. So he was a lawless person. Griffin was rather a lawless person. His landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. So his landlord did not like him. He was not a good person, very short-tempered and very selfish, very mean, and he was not liked by his landlord. ग्रिफिन का मकान मालिक जो है वो उसे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं करता था और उसे घर से बाहर निकालने का कोशिश किया. इजेक्ट मीन्स टू ड्राइव आउट. इजेक्ट, तो इजेक्ट मीन्स टू ड्राइव आउट, फोर्स आउट. तो लैंडलॉर्ड ने ग्रिफिन को मकान से को खाली करने का ऑर्डर दे दिया. ही ट्राइड टू फोर्स हिम आउट ऑफ हिज house, and Griffin was very angry. Griffin was a short-tempered person. He became very angry, and what he did was he set fire. In revenge, Griffin set fire in the house. बदला लेने के लिए, अपने लैंडलॉर्ड से बदला लेने के लिए ग्रिफिन ने क्या किया, अपने मकान मालिक के घर में. So you can just imagine from this incident what a kind of person he is. He is a lawless person. To get away without being seen, he had to remove clothes. Now he has set fire to a house. It is very natural that the police will be after him. He will be put behind the bars. So to escape punishment, what he does? He already अभी तक जो है ग्रिफिन्स ने वो rare medicine खोज लिया जिससे invisible वो हो सके. And so he swallowed those medicines and he removed his clothes and became invisible. To become invisible, he had to remove the clothes. So he removed his clothes and he escaped. To get away without being seen, he had to remove his clothes. So to become invisible, he ate those medicines, he swallowed those medicines and removed his clothes so that he could escape from the police. Thus it was that he became a homeless wanderer. Now what happened? He became a homeless wanderer. He started roaming from here to there. Without clothes, without money. He had set fire to the house, so naturally his money was also burned. Quite invisible. He was quite invisible. Nobody could see him. Until he happened to step in some mud. और ऐसे ही इनविजिबल होके वो लंदन भाग आया. लंदन एक बड़ा जगह है, वहां लोग उसे खोज नहीं पाएंगे ये सोचकर. और फिर ये साइंटिस्ट का पैर जो है वो कीचड़ में पड़ गया और कीचड़ में पड़ गया तो उसके फुट मार्क्स दिखने लगे जमीन पे. और ये लंदन के दो लड़कों ने ये कीचड़ वाला फुट मार्क्स जो है वो देख लिया. happened to step in some mud and left footprints as he walked. So as he walked, you can see griffins. So now in the picture you can see him visible because he's wearing clothes, but there is nothing on the head. सर पे तो कोई कपड़े नहीं है तो सर नहीं दिख रहा है. So clothes will make, only the clothes will make him visible. He escaped easily enough from the boys who followed his footprints. Now the boys were following his footprints, but escaping from the boys were very easy because he was an invisible man. तो बच्चों से दूर चले जाना जो है उसके लिए कोई मुश्किल नहीं था. He escaped easily enough from the boys who followed his footsteps in London. Footprints is in London. But his adventures were by no means over. But now that was not an end of his adventures. Now many more adventurous work he had to do. He had chosen a bad time of the year to wander about London without clothes. So he was feeling a lot of trouble in wandering the streets of London because it was the month of winter. जाड़े का मौसम था, बिना कपड़ा का बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था ग्रिफिन्स के लिए. He had chosen a bad time of the year to wander about London without clothes. It was midwinter. Why was it very troublesome for him to be without clothes? Because it was midwinter, extremely cold. The air was bitterly cold and he could not do without clothes. So without clothes, it was very difficult for him to survive. Instead of walking about the streets, he decided to slip into a big London store for warmth. So what did he decide? कि गली में इधर उधर भटकने से अच्छा है कि किसी दुकान में घुस जाओ. At least in the shop, he can get some warmth. और किसी भी दुकान में घुसना ग्रिफिन्स के लिए कोई बड़ा मुश्किल काम नहीं था क्योंकि वो इनविजिबल था. So Griffin was invisible. Getting into the shops, one of the shops was not a difficult task for him. He could very easily get into whichever shop he liked. So he entered in one of the shop. एक दुकान में वो घुस गया. Closing time arrived, and as soon as the doors were shut, Griffin was able to give himself the pleasure of clothing and feeding himself. तो जब तक दुकान खुली हुई थी, ग्रिफिन अपना शांत से खड़ा रहा कहीं. But after the closing time came, what happened? The owners and staff of the shop, they shut the shop and went away. अब बंद दुकान में ग्रिफिन बिल्कुल अकेला था. So the shop was shut and Griffin was inside the shop and he could do whatever he liked. So what he did inside the closed shop, he could give himself the pleasure of clothing and feeding himself without regard to expense. खर्च की फिक्र किए बिना वो जो भी कपड़ा चाहता वो ले सकता था, पहन सकता था. दुकान के अंदर खाना भी था. He could eat whatever he liked. No need of any money. So he did not have to care for the expenses. खर्च की कोई फिक्र नहीं थी उसे. And pleasure of clothing and feeding himself without regard to expense. No need to bother about money. He broke open boxes and wrappers. दुकान में जितने भी डब्बे थे सारे डब्बे को उसने तोड़ दिया. जितने भी लपेटे हुए पेपर्स थे, wrappers, the papers, the coverings he removed. We already know that he is a lawless person, very selfish, uncaring. So he hardly cared about what he was doing to the shop owner, what harm he was doing to the shop owner. Broke the boxes, then removed the wrappers and fitted himself out with warm clothes. दुकान से उसने अच्छे अच्छे गर्म कपड़े चुने और उसने पहन लिया. So he put on warm clothes, soon with shoes and overcoat. जो चीज उसको जरूरत थी वो सब उसने दुकान से ले लिया. खर्च का तो कोई फिक्र ही नहीं करना है. तो वहां से उसने क्या क्या लिया? शूज लिया, उसके बाद एक ओवरकोट ही टुक, देन अ व्हाइट ब्रिम्ड हैट. ब्रिम मींस एज, so a white edged hat he took. He became a fully dressed and visible person. So till now he was visible, till now he was invisible. Once he wore all the dresses, the overcoat and the hat, what happened? He became a visible person. After wearing the clothes, he became a visible person. So he chose the best clothing from the shop, overcoat, shoes, and hat, and he became fully dressed and visible person. In the kitchen of the restaurant, he found cold meat. In the shop, there was a kitchen, and in that he found cold meat. Then he found coffee, and he followed up the meal with sweets and wine. बहुत सारा खाने पीने का चीज था किचन में, पैंट्री में. जो मन हुआ उसने खाया, मीट, coffee. Then he finished his meal with sweets and wine. So he had a very grand meal. बहुत अच्छा खाना उसने खाया. A nice meal, feast. It was a kind of feast for him. Then he finished it with sweets and wine taken from the grocery store. Finally, he settled down to sleep on a pile of quilts. Now his body was warm. He ate to his full content. Now all he needed was a comfortable bed. तो दुकान में बेड भी था, पाइल ऑफ क्विल्ट्स था, गद्दे थे, बस वो गद्दे पे सो गया. If only Griffin had managed to wake up in good time, all might have been well. हाँ, अगर ग्रिफिन समय पर उठ गया होता तो वो बच सकता था. अपना कपड़ा रिमूव करके और जल्दी से वो निकल जाता. So if Griffins had managed to wake up in time, then he could have escaped easily. Again, he could have become invisible and escaped. लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं. ग्रिफिन्स जो है वो देर रात तक सोता रहा, ये देर सुबह तक दुकान में सोता रहा. Or might have been well. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants were already arriving next morning. So what happened? He did not wake up in time, and he kept sleeping late in the morning inside the shop. दुकान खुलने का समय हो गया. असिस्टेंट्स जो है वो दुकान खोलने के लिए अंदर आए next morning. When he saw a couple of them, you can see in the picture, Griffins. This is the end. So this is after दुकान के ओनर्स ने जब देख लिया ग्रिफिन को, तो उससे बचने के लिए वो भागा. This scene shows how the shop owners, they enter the shop and they see this strange man sleeping on the quilt, and then Griffin suddenly wakes up and he starts running, and the shop owner is chasing him. Approaching, he panicked and began to run. So when he saw that the assistants of the shop, they were coming near, approaching means coming near. Then he panicked. अचानक से वो बहुत डर गया. He panicked and then he panicked and began to run. वो दौड़ने लगा, भागने लगा. They naturally gave him a chase, and they naturally started running after him. In the end, they naturally gave chase, and they started chasing him. Chase means what? What is the meaning of chase? Tell me. Hello.
हम पीछा
पीछे
करना.
भागना.
Yes, chase means to run after someone, पीछा करना. So these shop owners, they started running after him. They gave him a chase. In the end, he was able to escape only by quickly taking off his newly found clothes. Now in the picture we can see him with his clothes. लेकिन जब कुछ दूर तक वो भाग पीछा करते ही रहे, तो ग्रिफिन ने सोचा कि फिर कहीं पकड़ा ना जाए. हाँ, क्योंकि he was already wanted in one crime. एक गलती तो उसने कर लिया था, अब ये दूसरी गलती थी. If he was caught, he could be punished. So better again remove the clothes and escape. So what he did, he removed his clothes one by one. He removed his clothes one by one and he escaped, taking off his newly found clothes. तो ये नए कपड़े जो है वो बहुत देर तक उसके पास नहीं रह सके. The new clothes that he had stolen from the shop, he could not keep it with him for a long time. He had to remove them, taking off his newly found clothes. So once more, he found himself invisible. Griffin's condition was the same as earlier. Now again, he became a homeless wanderer without clothes, invisible but naked in the chill January air. And what was the most disturbing thing? It was midwinter and the air was so chilly. This time he decided to try the stock of a theatrical company. Now Griffins thought that now he's going to steal from a theatrical company. So a theatrical company is a shop that provides costumes for dramas and all. जो प्ले होता है, ड्रामा होता है, उसके लिए जो कॉस्ट्यूम प्रोवाइड करती है. तो ग्रिफिन्स ने सोचा कि वहां उसको अपना फेस को भी कवर करने के लिए सामान मिल जाएगा. In theatrical companies, people keep the false mustache, the false beard, false nose and all, mask and all. So he thought that this time he will try stealing in a theatrical company, in the hope of finding not only clothes, but something that would hide, hide the empty space above his shoulders. So as you can see in the picture earlier, his head was not visible, but he wanted to make his head also visible. So he thought that this time he will try stealing in a theatrical company. Theatrical company में जो है उसको कपड़े भी मिल जाएंगे और उसको अपना फेस को कवर करने के लिए भी सामान मिल जाएगा. फॉल्स नोज, goggles for eyes, and mustache, and this could make his face visible. Shivering with cold, he hurried to Drury Lane. तो ठंड तो थी ही, and he was without clothes, he was shivering. और ये जो थिएट्रिकल कंपनी का दुकान था वो ड्रूरी लेन में था.
मैम 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 आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
मैम हेलो मैम दिव्या हेलो
हेलो
मैम कहाँ चल गए?
नहीं पता।
हम भी मेरा भी अभी क्लास ज्वाइन हुआ है, इतना देर हो ही नहीं रहा था। हेलो
मैम आप अपने में आपको म्यूट कर लिए हैं।
यस मैम। हिमांशु